The committee's attention has been drawn to a press statement released yesterday by the Council of Governors regarding the appearance of county governors before the Public Accounts and Investment Committees. In a statement, they made frivolous allegations and imputing improper motives on the integrity of not only just the committee, but also the Senate. In their endeavor to fail to account for resources sent to the counties, they claim they will only honor the committee invitations under virtual meetings, or that they will only appear after the COVID-19 pandemic is over and funds have been disbursed to county governments. They also have accused this committee of revisiting what they term as outdated audit queries dating back to 2015. We wish to remind them that as long as those queries have not been interrogated by this committee and report tabled before the Senate, they will not be outdated. We have since asked Inspector General of Police Hilary Mutyambai to arrest and present the Governor of Murang'a before the committee on September 10th to answer audit queries in 3 financial years from 2015 to 2018. Instead of the Murang'a Governor, who is a COG Vice Chair, addressing himself for failing to honor our summons or otherwise produce himself before us, he has taken a dangerous path of castigating aspersions on the integrity of the committee. We shall not be blackmailed, threatened, or our integrity murdered by a few governors who are afraid to account for the many billions in their disposal.